Okay, guys, Snickers been very good about this, even though he hasn't been in rehab. He's been laying off the cat crack for at least about 7 days, so I got to give him a little dose of this. See? See? He's got to have it. He can't help it. That's the way it is, folks. Oh well. Oh well. Gotta have it. You gotta have it. So I'm gonna sit this phone down a second here for him somehow. It's hard to do it without him. Wait a minute. Maybe I could stick it between my legs here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, ready, Snick? Do 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 do. Okay, folks, watch the reaction. Go to Amazon.com and see their cat crack, their cat purple haze, and their cat heroin. Funny stuff. Funny, funny. Ha ha ha. I'm still clogged up, folks. Maybe I need to snort a little bit of cat crack. Might clear my sinus up. Do, 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 do. Watch him in a minute. He'd be doing the cat worm stuff. Right, Snake? Running around like you lost your mind. Look at that, buddy. Whoa, whoa. Look at that, buddy. Woo. Getting your cat crack. So you better leave my stuff alone. That's mine. Get your own, fool. Get your own cat crack. Better leave mine alone. Look at her cat worm. Do, 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 do. All right, man. Don't come over here. Scratch me now. Look at. Woo. Oh, yeah. Woo, woo, woo. You get to go right. Excuse me. Excuse me while I choke, Snick. We're gonna do the cat worm. Sticks his claw on the carpet and gets a little drag. The cat worm, the cat crack worm. Doo doo doo. Ha ha. Gotta get Snickers back on YouTube, man. Sherbert been taking all the publicity. I don't want Snick to feel left out. That's why I had to give him a little cat crack, make him happy. Some potent stuff there, folks. Go easy on your cat with it, please. Look at the cat. Hee 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 hee. No copyrights to the Mickey Mouse cartoon on. Okay, Snick, I think you got enough views for today. Hopefully. If not, I don't know what to tell you, bro. Enjoy your cat crack trip, Snick. Peace.